welcome back to the channel. Hope you're well, folks. It is now the Saturday of the Easter weekend, so had a bit of a busy few days really. We unfortunately had Pam's dad's funeral on Thursday, which it went as well as funerals can go, I guess. Just a small affair, but really well attended by people. Good to see family again. We ended up staying out. We did the quiz, which we didn't win, down at one of the local pubs, and then we went out yesterday to watch Leeds. So Leeds managed to win last night, as you probably know. They beat Oxford away, so it's all down to Monday now. If we beat Stoke and Sheffield United don't beat Burnley, Leeds are promoted. So let's see what happens. But I just thought I'd show you this. Turn you round. Look at this moth. So apparently that is an elephant hawk moth. Now, a few months ago Ken's found a caterpillar and he bought this little container thing off Amazon, and all he put in it was a load of twigs, leaves, dandelions, things like that, and then that turned into a chrysalis, and it's now turned into a beautiful moth. So are you proud of your moth?
I am.
Done really well with it, haven't you?
Yeah.
I'm amazed it's survived in your bedroom with that smell that comes out of there. Yeah. So we're going for a little ride out in the car today. We're going towards home first. There's a pub that I want to see called the Huntsman. Now, there's a reason why, but I'm not going to tell you yet, but I may have some exciting news coming soon regarding something, so I'll keep you posted on that as and when it's confirmed and it happens. But we're going to go for a ride out to the pub, aren't we?
He's pregnant.
I'm not pregnant at all. So yeah, we're going to go for a ride out now. I'm going to take you along with us. It's up on the sort of moors above Home Firth, I believe. You've got Digley Reservoir just round the corner, so let's go have a look at it. So here we are. This is Digley Reservoir, which is high up in the Pennines. So we've driven through Home Firth, which was an experience. And now we're just going to show you this before we get up to this pub.
Oh, dog down there. Do you see it? Well, I think normally that.
Ken's is perusing the menu. What have you got your eye on?
The famous messy chips.
Messy chips. It'll be very messy, I think. So Ken's has got the loaded messy fries, haven't you? What's on them then? Pulled pork and cheese.
Yeah.
Get stuck in. So what's the verdict on the loaded messy fries?
Lovely.
Very messy, look at that. Got all that big lump of cheese and pulled pork on top.
That actually looks delicious.
Does, doesn't it? Doesn't it? It's what? Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it? So we thoroughly enjoyed that. That was class. I couldn't really show you a lot of the inside because it was just that busy, but really, really good. What do you reckon to that? Was nice, wasn't it? What a gorgeous pub. That Manchester craft lager was lovely as well, like a Pilsner style. And over there, we'll just show you this. You've got some motorhome parking. So if you want to bring your motor home, it looks like it's a bit uneven. You need your chocks to get your level, but yeah,